Tired of your 9-to-5 grind? The alarm clock, the commute, the endless meetings, it's a cycle. But what if 5 AI tools could help you break free? These aren't just productivity hacks, they can replace entire departments. We're talking about a fundamental shift from human-led tasks to AI-powered systems, happening right now. I've tested dozens of platforms and narrowed it down to 5 game changers that can help you escape the grind. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT 4o, a true game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. It's not just a chatbot, it's your strategist, your copywriter, your paralegal, and your coder all rolled into one powerful platform. Whether you're running a startup or managing a large enterprise, ChatGPT 4o adapts to your needs and scales with your ambitions. Need a business plan drafted from scratch, legal documents reviewed or created, or maybe you're looking for in-depth data analysis to guide your next big decision? ChatGPT 4o delivers all of this in minutes, not weeks, freeing up your team to focus on what matters most. But the real power lies in custom GPTs. By training ChatGPT 4o on your company's unique data, you transform it into an expert that understands your business inside and out. It learns your processes, your terminology, and your goals, becoming a true extension of your team. Imagine automating customer service, generating compelling marketing copy, and onboarding new hires, all without lifting a finger. ChatGPT 4o can handle these tasks and more, working tirelessly in the background to keep your operations running smoothly. Picture a digital clone of your company's collective brain, available 24/7, always ready to answer questions, solve problems, and drive innovation, no matter the hour. This isn't just an assistant, it's the operational backbone that supports your entire organization, empowering your team to achieve more with less effort. The efficiency gains are staggering, transforming the way you work, and unlocking new levels of productivity you never thought possible. Next up, let's talk about marketing, one of the fastest evolving fields in today's digital world. In 2025, marketing is all about video content. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business, or a large brand, video is the language of the internet. That's where Pictory AI comes in. It's like having a full-featured video production studio right inside your browser, accessible from anywhere. With Pictory, you can instantly transform scripts, blog posts, or even lengthy articles into polished, professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. The AI does the heavy lifting, automatically selecting relevant footage, generating voiceovers, adding subtitles, and even choosing background music. It edits everything together seamlessly, so you don't have to. That means you no longer need to hire a video editor, a voice actor, or a graphic designer. Pictory handles all those roles for you, saving time and money. It's like consolidating an entire creative team into a single, easy-to-use tool. Even if you have zero editing experience, you can create stunning videos. Content creators can now batch produce a week's worth of engaging videos in just one afternoon, freeing up time for other creative pursuits or business tasks. For anyone looking to build an online presence, Pictory is a true cheat code. Create, upload, and repeat. Growing your audience has never been this effortless. Now meet AgentGPT, the revolutionary tool that doesn't just assist you but actually thinks and acts on your behalf. Imagine having an AI that can understand your ambitions, process your instructions, and then take initiative to make things happen, all with minimal input from you. Simply give AgentGPT a goal, whether it's launching an online store, increasing your sales, or managing a complex project. Instantly, it analyzes your objective, breaks it down into actionable steps, and creates a detailed plan. But it doesn't stop there. AgentGPT autonomously executes each task, tracking progress and adapting as new challenges arise. It researches the latest trends, builds fully functional websites, writes and debugs code, and even refines its own strategies based on real-time feedback. AgentGPT can browse the web, gather data, and make informed decisions, all while keeping your end goal in focus. Set a mission before you go to bed, and AgentGPT works tirelessly through the night. While you rest, it's busy researching, building, and optimizing, so you wake up to real progress and actionable results. Think of it as more than just an employee. AgentGPT is your entire team in one. A researcher who uncovers insights, a strategist who plans, a developer who builds, a marketer who promotes, and a manager who keeps everything on track. All these roles, seamlessly integrated and always available. This is artificial intelligence as a true partner, collaborative, proactive, and always learning. It doesn't just follow orders, it works alongside you, anticipating needs and suggesting improvements. The future of delegation has arrived. With AgentGPT, you can confidently hand off entire projects, knowing that every detail will be handled with precision and intelligence. Let AgentGPT build your business, manage your workload, and free up your time, so you can focus on the big picture, innovate, and grow like never before. For visuals, Midjourney V6 is a game changer. Generate stunning, photorealistic images from simple prompts, logos, product mockups, concept art, and more. No need for expensive designers or photographers. Create agency-level assets in minutes, then refine them in Canva or Photoshop. Become a one-person creative agency. The creative services industry will never be the same. Need a voice? ElevenLabs delivers studio-quality voiceovers in any language or accent instantly. Control emotion, pacing, and style for any project. Commercials, courses, audiobooks, and more. Clone your voice and globalize your content without hiring translators or actors. It's a paradigm shift for creators and businesses. Instantly scale your audio production. The world is your audience. 5 tools, 1 message. The 9-to-5 is obsolete. These AIs can build, market, and run a business with minimal human input. Don't fear replacement. Use these tools as leverage. The barrier to entrepreneurship has never been lower. The future is about collaborating with AI, not competing against it. Will you ride the AI wave or watch it pass by? Subscribe to Newzenki Media for more on automating and dominating with AI. Comment below. Which tool will you try first?